Hello friends! Right now we are going to show you 5 best tabletop water fountain. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range. Number 1. Homedics Tabletop Water Fountain. Home Décor soothing sound machine, automatic pump, deep basin and natural river rocks. Indoor zen relaxation for office, living room, or bedroom, 8.25-inch tall. Color, black. Material, plastic. Brand, Homedics. Special feature, corded, lighted, rocks. Item weight, 1 pound. Power source, corded electric. Decorative tabletop fountain, bring a calming, zen, and decorative feel to any room. 3 tiers create a gentle soothing flow of water replicating the sights and sounds of a tranquil spring. Easy to use, quiet, built-in, submersible pump automatically circulates the water, keeping it free of algae buildup. Plug the corded power supply into an outlet to turn on, flip the off switch to turn off. Artistic design, Asian-inspired 3-tier design, unique lighting feature creates a soft reflection. Natural river rocks can be added to any tier or to the extra deep, open-style basin. Distress anytime, use it to unwind after a hard day, drift off to sleep, meditate, or practice yoga. Display it in your baby's nursery so they can enjoy its sounds in soft glow as a nightlight. What's in the box? 1. Enviroscape Silver Springs Relaxation Fountain. 1. Set of river rocks. 3. Leaf tiers. 1. Power cord and adapter. 1. Pump cover, water pump and fountain base. 1. Quick start guide. Number 2. Alpine Corporation Win 326 Indoor Tabletop light-up tiered rainforest tree trunk water fountain with LED lights, 11-inch, brown. Color, brown. Material, fiberglass, polystone. Brand, Alpine Corporation. Special feature, lighted. Item weight, 3.3 pounds. Power source, corded electric. Waterfall fountain, tabletop water fountain is the perfect addition to your decor. Interior pump keeps the water flowing, just plug it in. Relaxing water flow, water trickles down to mimic the sounds of a real waterfall, adding peaceful ambience to your home or yard. Natural look, realistic looking aged bark bring a touch of natural beauty to your space. Durable, resin, stone powder, and fiberglass construction is rust and weather resistant to keep your outdoor fountain looking new over time. Ideal size, water fountain measures 7-inch LX5 WX11H, the perfect size for your yard, and includes a 2-year manufacturer's support from date of purchase. Number 3. Tabletop Fountain Rotating Ball Rock Waterfall. Fountain office includes many natural river rocks decorated with colorful lights. Waterfall fountain, built-in water pump circulates water, forming several small streams with soft murmuring sound. Perfect for decorating any tabletop, desk, bathroom sink, or dresser. Adding beauty value to any decorative space you own. Durable high-quality material, about 9.05 *6.89 10.23 inches, made of high-quality resin material, light and durable. The unique multi-layered rock design and matte base make the modern fountain decor more high-end. Easy to use, this fountain is self-contained, meaning it requires no additional hardware or plumbing to use. Plug the power cord into a standard socket and you'll get a beautiful fountain. Built-in water pump that continuously circulates water, filled with distilled water, makes it safer and cleaner. Relieve stress and enjoy the natural sound of the water. Enjoying the serene sound of the water in a dimly lit room or on a table outside the balcony is a sensory experience. It makes you feel like you're in nature and relieves the strain of the day. Number 4. Sunnydaze Tabletop Water Fountain. 15-inch 6-tier relaxing indoor desktop water fountain with LED lights, office, bedroom, living room. Color, gray. Indoor table fountain dimensions, this desktop waterfall fountain measures 10-inch WX7 DX15H. It weighs 7 pounds and has a 29-ounce water capacity. Durable construction, durable polyresin and fiberglass construction ensures that the small water fountain for desk will be long-lasting and easy to move. The colors may vary slightly from on-screen images. Complete fountain, this desk water fountain includes a camouflaged pump access door in the back, foot pads to protect the table surface, LED lighting to illuminate the fountain, and a quiet submersible pump allowing the soothing sounds of water to be heard. Easy to use, no plumbing is required. Simply add water to the indoor water feature and plug it into a standard electrical outlet. Worry-free purchasing, Sunnydaze Décor backs its products with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty. Number 5. Tabletop Indoor Water Fountain. 3-tier rock waterfall fountain with warm LED light and DIY planting pot, relaxing small water feature for desk or home decor, 23061. Special feature durable, easy to use, LED lights, plant by yourself. Relaxing indoor waterfall fountain, bring serenity to your space with this tabletop fountain indoor. The gentle sound of trickling water promotes calmness and peace, perfect for any room. Warm LED ambience, the built-in LED light adds a cozy glow to this desk fountain, making it ideal for nighttime relaxation, meditation, or as a unique decorative piece. Compact tabletop design, this small fountain is lightweight and space-efficient, suitable for desks, shelves, countertops, or office tables. Enjoy the beauty of a waterfall fountain indoor without taking up too much space. DIY planting feature, customize your tabletop water fountain indoor with herbs, succulents, or flowers. The cotton thread water absorption system keeps plants hydrated effortlessly. Simple setup and use, just fill with water, plug it in, and enjoy your indoor water fountain. No complicated instructions, this mini water fountain brings immediate joy and tranquility. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.